It is time to win a lifetime subscription to Placeit. This tool is so powerful, and I feel like it could be a complete game changer for one lucky winner. Just how much is a lifetime subscription to Placeit actually worth? Well, you can't really buy a lifetime subscription to Placeit, but a yearly is $89.69. So let's just say 10 years. Even though you could have it for the next 80 years, let's just say 10 years. That means you're saving over $800 by joining in with this competition. If you win. I mean, that's just mental. That is just absolutely mental. I just want to say, even if you don't win, you can still get access to 15% off. The link is in the description. I use this tool on the daily now, and I think it's a brilliant tool. So let's get right into this video. Just before I tell you how you can enter and how you can win, let me just quickly tell you what Placeit is for anyone that doesn't really know the full capabilities of Placeit. I promise you this won't be a very long part of the video. Placeit has 5 major categories, the biggest being their mockup library. You can upload designs and get instant mockups on over 25,000 mockups. Clothing, books, business cards, ads, technology, the list is a very long list. The next biggest category is their design library. They have over 15,000 designs, and they are adding new ones on the weekly. These designs can be used for any pod product or anything at all really. Marketing material, iPhone wallpapers, whatever you want. As well as being able to pick from a whole horde of designs, you can also edit them as well. Change the graphics, change the fonts, change the colors, add and remove stuff. It's really quite cool. The next categories are logos, videos, and gaming. Logos is insane. You can create an entire side hustle business just using the logos category. It's got a huge collection of logos pre-made for all different types of industries. And just like designs, they are fully editable. So just imagine creating a side hustle of, making logos for people. You've got this entire library right in front of you. Personally, I love the video maker. Being able to quickly make intros, Instagram stories, t-shirt videos, it's a real game changer. And the last is gaming, which is a whole section of designs based around gaming. Now, it may sound like I'm getting paid lots and lots of money for this video, but I promise you, I have no sponsorship deals with Placeit. I wish I did, actually, in a way, but I don't. The only connection I have with Placeit is I'm an affiliate. So if you want to get Placeit through my link, I'll get a very small commission. But that's not what this video is about, because this video, you're winning a free lifetime subscription. There is no commission to be made by me. So I'm just really excited because I know this is a huge deal, and this could literally change someone's life. Being able to have access to this tool for free will be, it's mad. It's absolutely mad. I'm just so happy that we're able to do this. So now that you know what Placeit is, how can you enter and how can you win? So it goes without saying, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's not really going to help you win, but you know what? It's a really nice thing to do, and it will massively help me get more views and get more exposure on this video. And of course, if you're feeling really generous, please share this video so everyone has an opportunity to win a lifetime subscription to Placeit. In short, the best design will win. Now wait, don't let that put you off. I know originally I was going to just pick a comment at random and they were going to win, but I thought I wanted to make this more fun and more of like a whole experience for everyone. So all you have to do is submit the design and you are in for a chance to win. Let me just quickly tell you where to submit the design and what the niche is. Firstly, the niche is animals, which means any design that you submit, you only have one submission, and it has to be an animal related t-shirt design. I thought it would be a lot more fun judging if everyone had the same niche. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not very good at designs, oh no, I can't win Placeit now, well, don't worry, you can pay for someone on Fiverr. It's about $5 or $6 to make you a design based on your idea, and you can submit their design. You have time to do this because this competition is open for an entire week. So it doesn't have to be your design, but it has to be your idea. It's got to be unique. It cannot be copyright. It cannot be anything not allowed. It can't be stolen from someone else. And I'm so excited. This is going to be such a fun competition. All submissions need to be sent to this email. All right? left it on the screen for a while. You'll also see the email in the description. Send one design there, and I'm asking you, please just send design on a t-shirt like this. I don't need any fancy background or anything like that. Put it on a t-shirt and put it on the color of the t-shirt that you want, right? So if you want it on a black t-shirt, or you want it on a white t-shirt, you want it on a purple t-shirt, whatever it is, put it on the color t-shirt that you think your design looks best. Submissions will close on the 17th of November, midnight GMT, which is London time, it's our time. Okay, this is going to be huge. I'm so excited to have a look at everyone's designs and pick a winner. Now, to make this more fair, I have got 2 other people judging with me, so there'll be a panel of judges deciding which design is the best design and which one is going to win the free lifetime subscription to Placeit. Now, as well as the lifetime subscription to Placeit, there are also 20 runner-up prizes, which will be a chance to get Placeit for 20% off. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, I don't want to pay for it. Well, I personally think Placeit is worth it for the full monthly price. So the runner-up prize is being 20% off. I think that's a pretty good runner-up prize. It's the best we can really do. Even if you don't win, you still have a chance to get Placeit at a heavily discounted price. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully getting involved with this little competition. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. So what are you waiting for? Go and get those designs done.